Annapolis home prices are up 4.3% year over year to $624,900. It's Friday, October 24th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis continues to defy nationwide stats where home prices are leveling off or falling as days on the market rise. Maryland in general is still a seller's market, though in some areas prices haven't grown as quickly and days on the market have risen. Annapolis also has almost 40% of the inventory priced at or over $1 million for sale. Starter homes in Annapolis continue to be harder and harder to find. Right now, only 5 of the homes for sale are in the starter home price range. And these are condos or attached units that likely have an HOA or condo fee that must be factored into the cost to purchase. Inventory rose 4.5% to 231 units, and the median list price adjusted to $797,000. 26 homes are coming soon at a median $540,000 list price. 30 homes went under contract in 25 days at a median $670,000, which equates to about a $4,000 house payment before taxes, insurance, HOA, condo fees. 28 homes sold for 98% list to sold ratio in 12 days with a median sales price of $516,250. 10 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $649,950 sales price in 5 days. 11 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $447,500 in 24 days. 7 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $510,000 in 14 days. Inventory for Annapolis rentals remained fairly consistent at 60 for lease price between $1,550 to $25,000 at a median $2,725 per month. The lower price rentals are shared units, such as a basement or a single bedroom roommate situation. Selection is limited for those couples or families until you get into rentals priced above $2,500 per month or higher. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 24th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.